What's up, guys? Today we are shooting food and utensils. Today is Thursday, January the 28th. Sorry, guys. It's already a long week. Anyways, as you can tell, we are shooting bread with a little butter and a knife, and then this little tray. And yeah, I've got my cheese board also below it. Now I did a little of both. I did one I did one set of pictures without the cheese board, just on the black surface, dark light again, of course, showing as many shadows as possible. I know food photography really needs that shadowy background. I do have let's see, and then also did long exposure with this setup, 8 seconds again, and it looks fairly good. I really like what I've gotten. I'll probably show the three different sets I came up with. See which one you like the best. Let me know in the comments, and we will go from there. So I do got my brother making me some hopefully better prop of wood, especially for this food photography and for product photography and stuff of that sort. I'm hoping that will be done here in about a week and a half, something like that. He's a woodworker on Etsy, so he's working on that for me right now, and then yeah, we'll see how that turns out. But anyways, hopefully you like this video. Nothing special here. I mean, you can pretty much see what I've came up with, see what you can come up with, and what you can make with yours. Maybe you're shooting food photography, you're looking for some tips and tricks. Well, this will not be my first and will not be my last. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this, you want to learn what I'm doing, then hit the subscribe button, and we will see you tomorrow for Wildcard. Have a good night. Thanks, guys.